Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the advanced camera settings available to system administrators using the Videobar configuration application. We recommend using Videobar configuration for fine-tuning the camera settings, as it provides a live camera view within the application. These administrative settings are also available in the Videobar administration application, but without the live camera view. To learn more about the suite of software packages, please watch their separate overview tutorials. Now let's learn about the camera settings available to the Bose Professional Videobar line. We'll connect the computer running Videobar configuration to a Bose Professional Videobar device using the USB-C connection located on the rear of the device. Navigate to the Password Protective Administrative area and choose the Camera tab. Here, you may change the camera settings and controls. Notice the live camera view is provided so you can observe the changes as you define the settings. Let's start with the pan, tilt, and zoom adjustments. Moving the sliders or typing into the text box for each parameter adjusts the camera settings. These values can be saved to specific presets by using the Save as Preset button at the bottom of the section. You can scroll down and view the values stored in each preset. Presets can also be changed by entering values in the pan, tilt, and zoom text boxes located in the preset section and then by clicking Save. Presets can be viewed by clicking the icon that is located next to the preset name. The next page is auto framing. You can choose to enable or disable this feature. When disabled, the auto frame button on the homepage of Videobar configuration and within Videobar mobile app is inaccessible. This also disables the auto frame button on the IR remote, and it removes the option to use an API call to turn auto framing on or off. Exclusive to the VBS is the framing mode selection. Follow Me mode is perfect for a single presenter and provides a more agile way to focus on dynamic movements that may be present during whiteboarding and other teaching applications while a presenter communicates with a remote audience. Conferencing mode is ideal for groups and enables the camera to keep all in-room participants in view. This mode is used when auto-framing is enabled on a VB1. When auto-frame access is enabled, you can configure the headroom adjustment to either sitting or standing. Zoom and pan and tilt speeds can be configured separately as slow, normal, or fast. Speed adjustments change how quickly the auto-framing feature responds to changes in the room, such as a person moving or new participant joining the meeting in the room. Auto-frame border size selects how much space you want around the people in the room with a choice of small, normal, or large auto-frame. Information allows you to view the feature in action by displaying the dynamic motion pickup values. This is provided for testing purposes, and please note it will display these values to the far end. So don't forget to disable it after testing. The image page provides configuration settings for the camera's image. Low light compensation provides automatic low light correction. When enabled, it dynamically optimizes the video image in dim lighting conditions. Backlight compensation allows the camera to adjust the exposure of the entire image to properly display the users through the backlight. Anti-flicker power line frequency is used when the camera is going to be installed in a room with fluorescent lighting. Remote participants will observe flickering of the lights when viewed on their screen. As seen, flickering or scrolling lines are a distraction. When enabled, this feature minimizes these artifacts. You have two options based on the power line frequency in your area. For instance, North America and Japan use 60 Hz and most European and Asian countries use 50 Hz. The camera image settings for brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, and white balance can be typed indirectly or adjusted by moving the slider. Brightness adjusts the overall lightness and darkness of the image. Contrast adjusts the range of possible light and dark areas in the image. Saturation adjusts the depth of colors in the image. Sharpness adjusts the image. Clarity and white balance compensates for color temperature of light source and can be set to auto mode. If you want to restore all image settings to the original factory default settings, click Restore Defaults. You can also enable a video resolution overlay that displays the resolution values. This is provided for testing purposes. Please note it will display these values to the far end, so don't forget to disable it after testing. This concludes our review of the advanced camera settings. If you are interested in learning more about Bose Professional Videobar devices, be sure to watch the other videos.